want to introduce you to Dex, our daily focus assistant. And Dex is an AI-powered tool that we created here at AIWURKS that helps you focus on planning out your day or planning out your week. So we use Dex weekly at the beginning of every week to help us prioritize and plan and really put together a schedule or a plan for the week that is realistic and one that we can follow through with, and that causes us not to be stressed and overwhelmed with all the tasks that we need to get completed in the week. So the key features for Dex is that it can provide you with tailored daily plans. It can help you prioritize tasks that you have. And if you enjoy time blocking for your scheduling, it's an expert in time blocking, and it can provide you with clarity-driven workflows. So let's go over to Dex and try them out. Okay, so now we're over here in Dex, and this week I am going to ask Dex to assist me with creating a schedule. So I have a big move that's coming up in 7 days. It's my last 7 days here in Hawaii, and I'm moving over to Arizona. And so I want to sort of really focus in on the things that I need to get done this week as it relates to that move. So can you assist me with creating a 7-day plan for my move from Hawaii to Arizona? All right, so I'm going to keep it basic and just see what it provides me. Okay, so it says this move requires careful coordination. Let's get started. It wants to ask me for some details first, which it always will ask you clarifying questions before it gets started providing you with a detailed plan. So what are your exact move dates? I'm leaving on August 4th. Okay. And then it wants to know from me, are you shipping belongings, flying with luggage, or both? So I'm flying with luggage, shipping some small items. So flying with luggage, shipping small items in boxes. So most of what we're taking is small things. Any pets, vehicles. So again, it's asking me questions to sort of clarify. Am I using a moving company? So all of those kinds of things. So we're not using a moving company. We're shipping a vehicle. Okay, so shipping one car and traveling with a service dog. Okay, so let's see, anything else it needs to know? Do you still have work or responsibilities during this 7-day window? What's your energy like lately? So it's even thinking about whether I'm feeling productive, whether I'm overwhelmed, low energy, that type of thing. So focused on the move this week with very little outside work. And my, let's see, my mood is positive and productive. Okay, so now we have answered all its questions. Now let's see what it gives us. So it says, thank you, based on your info, departure is August 1st, method is flying, so it's clarifying all of that. And now it's built me this 7-day schedule. Oops, hold on. Where'd I go? Okay, so in its 7-day schedule, it's giving me a moving plan. So again, you could, if it was an office move you had, you could use this for that. If it was something very specific to your business and a project that you had to create, so Dex is really good with project management and helping you manage those types of things. So it even gave me a theme for the first day, which is mental clarity and mastering your list day. So helping me to finalize and confirm my flight and shipping dates, making sure that make a packing zone list, what's going in my luggage versus what's going to be shipped, checking the airline service documents, so making sure I have all the documents for my dog, labeling the boxes, and starting a master moving document. And so it's giving me for the next 7 days, day 2, what I can focus on to make sure I get everything done. Core admin and scheduling for day 2. Day 3, it's deep packing day, so getting everything sort of packed up. Day 4 is a local wrap-up day. So it's taken me through the entire 7 days so that by the end of Saturday, I am ready to travel. So this is just a quick example of how you can use Dex and what Dex is capable of doing. And again, Dex is all about helping you to stay consistent, to stay organized, and stay productive. So if you're interested in checking out a version of Dex, we have a light version that's available for free that you can use for Dex. And all you have to do is go to our website, aiworks.com/freebie, and give Dex a try and let us know. Give us some feedback as to what you think about Dex. All right, have a great day.